Dear students, today we are discussing about the experiment number 3, ceiling fan connections and variation of speed with the help of regulator. Okay. For this, we want to check which is the starting winding, which is the running winding, where we will put our capacitor. What is the condition for the capacitor when it is shorted or when it is open circuited? Everything we will check here. Okay, with the help of this lamp. So first we will check. As I mentioned you, there are two type of winding in this ceiling fan. This is the ceiling fan which is packed here, but we see the open ceiling fan to know about the winding. This outer is the running winding, inner is the starting winding. You see here, two wire comes from the running winding and two wire comes from the starting winding. Here we have only three wires. So what happening? From this point off, one wire will come from the running, one wire will come from the starting, and one is the common between these two. So that is one wire. So that's the reason is the three wires. So we will check here where is the running and where is the starting winding. For this we will use this bulb and see the intensity of glow. When the intensity is more bright, if we compare two cases, then the more bright case is related to running winding. Then we check between the running winding and starting winding and see there the glow is very less. There is the need to connect the capacitor. So that will be give the testing of this winding of this capacitor, and after that we will check this capacitor. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Start with this one. This one. Check it. If I see this wire and this one, see the glow. I think it's a maximum glow. Now put this and this. The intensity is less, but it's a very good intensity. Okay, so it means this, when the intensity is high, it means it is related to running winding. Okay, the outer winding. If the intensity is good but less the previous case, then what you will show? That is the starting winding. Now I will check between the running winding and starting winding. You will see here this and this. See the intensity of what happened is very less. So here we will connect our capacitor, because the intensity you see here. To start the fan we require capacitor here. So we will connect our capacitor between running and starting winding. Okay. Now the same thing you can see from this fan. Check the intensity is very good. Then you see from this intensity, but is less from previous case, so is the starting winding. Now see this and this case here, intensity is very less, so we have to add our capacitor between running and starting winding. Is it okay? Now we will check the earthing connection. So what we will do for this? We will use three wires. First I will put it on the neutral and body. There is no glow, no issue of earthing. Then running winding and body, there is no issue. And third one is the starting winding and body. So there is no issue related to earthing here. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now we will check. Generally in ceiling fan we use 2.5 microfarad capacitor. Now if there is a dielectric between these two, and we'll check with the help of the multimeter, and what you will see, there is no sound of pressure. There is no sound of pressure. Okay. Now what I will do, I will show these two knob of this capacitor, and then check it. See the sound.
Yes, sir.
Hear the sound of it. So that will show the continuity of your capacitor. So these are the things which we have to test when we want to perform the experiment related to the ceiling. And in the previous video we already discussed how the speed of a ceiling fan will vary with the help of gravity. Okay, so that's the whole thing about it.